Hi, my name's Michael Fisher, and I'm here with Tulsa Airsoft, and today we're going to talk about this lovely beauty here, the MP5K, made by Galaxy. It's a very nice gun, compact metal gearbox. You have a nice magazine here, you see, although they usually come with a smaller one, but you can always get larger standard rounds, high caps, all sorts of different mags. You have full auto, semi-auto capability, and of course your safety. Whenever you're using any airsoft gun, you want to make sure that before you put it away, you fire once in semi-auto with the magazine out to make sure the spring is depressed and the barrel is empty. This gun takes an 8.4 stick battery that goes right up here. It slips right in nice and easily, and you take off your front grip here, if I can get it off. Blimey, this thing's tough. Make some tools. Okay, forget it. But you connect your battery up in here to the plug. Your bolt does not move because of course your battery goes up here. You got a nice sling point connection, you know, right here for a single point sling. You can hang it from your tack vest. You can attach yourself a rail up here for a red dot or a nice big optical scope if you really want to snipe with this bloody sucker. Overall, I'd have to say this gun shoots pretty well. Price? Oh, the price! Yeah, we don't want to forget about the price. It's $129.99 here at Tulsa Airsoft in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're located at the corner of 61st and Yale. Oh, not Yale, sorry.
Mingo.
61st and Mingo. I was thinking about the good old times when I used to work at Papa John's. Sorry about that.
Mingo rhymes with dingo.
Mingo around the dingo. A baby ate my dingo.